Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Got some stuff here to show you that I picked up yesterday at Sam's Club, and it was on sale. All right, one of those items I was going for, but the other one was a surprise. So this is the reason to keep your eyes open while you're shopping. As I was looking for the lights, I came across a pallet of the green propane bottles here. I kind of glanced at it because I've been paying for a 2-pack at Walmart, being the cheapest place I can find it is $19.95 for a 2-pack. I looked up and it said $29.95, and I go, oh man, the price is really going up. Then I did a double take. I said, well, maybe it's a 4-pack, and I was surprised. It's a 6-pack. So basically, you round this up, $30 for 6 of them. It's $5 a piece. That's almost to where it was a couple years ago, before everybody started freaking out over the Red Dragon and things started getting weird. All right, so now I want to show you the other thing here. Let me get this out of the way. So these lights here. Okay, so over on my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, I put out a couple videos on these. Put them out along the back patio here, the new patio. I put them along the front walkway. But I want to talk to you about their use in emergency preparedness. All right, let me pull one out of the box here. Okay, so this is how they come, and the glass here is glass. It's not plastic. So basically, you turn it quarter turn, not even a quarter turn, eighth turn, it comes off. This is the piece I want to talk to you about. Let me get up here a little bit closer here. All right, so yeah, it's got solar cells on the top. You get it on inside, it has a tab here. That's to keep the battery from activating in the box. This battery is a rechargeable nickel metal hydroxide battery. It's a standard size AA battery. This is 1.2 volts. I believe most alkaline and other type batteries are 1.5 volts. So what's neat about this is, though, you should be able to also charge NiCads and the lithium L-volt batteries. So I turn it like this, and basically as long as light's hitting this, it will not turn on, but when there's no light energy coming into it, it turns on. And so one of the ways you can use this in the house is, and you just take the top and lay it on the table. And let me turn off these other lights here. I don't want to go totally dark. As you can see, it lights up, and actually, and if you want, you can go ahead and leave this on it, and the glass kind of diffuses it and sends it out. But the problem with glass does restrict like 10% of light going through it, so you get more light out of it without the glass on it. Now, if you also want to use these, like say at the dining room table while eating, and you don't want it shining up in your eye, you can try balancing it like that. You can take a piece of wood, drill a 1-inch hole in it, and the bottom here will fit into it. Or you can take one of the posts here, put on it, and that will go into the 1-inch hole as well. Or you can leave the stake on it, put a pot, a flower pot that has, or plant pot that has something in it, stick it in the plant pot, and that'll help it steady it on the table as well. All right, so I'll get that out of the way here. Now, these can also be used during the daytime, because most likely you're not going to use the battery up in the house at night. So you can also quickly take the battery out when you're done using it, going to bed, and in the morning slip some other batteries in to recharge. All right, so let me get this Now it's not shining in my eye. Put the tab back in here because I'm going to put it back in the box. The lid here back on it. Okay. Let me turn the light back on here. Okay. So other things you can think about, think about all the lighting ways you can use this in during a power outage situation. Now, some of you go, well, why don't I just turn all the lights on my generator? Well, if it's some situations, yeah, that's fine. However, price of gasoline right now, you don't want to run the generator all the time. Also, depending on your neighbors, you may not want them to know that you're running a generator, that you have a generator at all. And you don't want to light your whole house up bright when there's a pitch black. Because there are going to be some people that are going to be rather ticked off at you that you have light and they don't. Doesn't matter that you spent the money to get the generator. They're still going to be mad at you because you have light and they don't. All right, so this is an option for what we call OPSEC, operational security, and just to keep in a low profile with not antagonizing your neighbors and stuff. All right. Okay, so one of the things I'm going to do here before I sign off, I'm going to put the link right up here to the 1,000 subscriber giveaway we're doing here. Then I'm going to put the link down here to one of the videos I did over on Camp Patton Family Compound with these lights, so you can see them being set up, because I also showed them at night how they were working. Up over here, I'm going to put the Camp Patton Family Compound link, and then the Gray Man link here for those that haven't subscribed. Take care.